Hello students, welcome back to my channel Shiksha by Ratika. So in this class, let's start some numerical practice from solution chapter class 12 chemistry. So here there are two examples, there are two numerical which I am gonna tell you in this class. First is 18 gram glucose, and as you know the formula for glucose is C6H12O6, which is dissolved in 1 kg water. So here solute is glucose and it mixed in 1 kg of water. It means water is solvent here. Find boiling point of solution. If boiling point of pure water is given to you 373 Kelvin, Kb for water is 0.52 kg per mole. 6 gram of urea, this is your second question. 6 gram of urea and 9 gram of glucose are dissolved in 300 gram of water. Find the boiling point of solution. Pure water boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. Kb for water is 0.52 kg per mole. So let's start with the solution. So as you know the formula, delta Tb is equals to Kbm. Just put the value 0.52, and what is the formula for m is the number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. So here solute, as I have already told you, it's glucose. If you don't know how to calculate the molar mass for the C6H12O6, you can comment me, I'll tell you in my next video. So 0.52, 18 upon 180. 18 is given to you, this is given mass, and this is molar mass, and the mass of solvent is 1 kg as it is already given. So just solve and simplify. Then in last, Tb is minus Tb naught, which is equals to 0.052. that is delta Tb is equals to Tb minus Tb naught in pure state. So after calculation you will get your answer. In the same way you can calculate the another question. In this question, number of moles of solute, it means solute, urea and glucose. Just add the number of moles. So 6 is given weight of urea, 9 is given to you glucose. So when you calculate 6 upon 60, 9 upon 180, then you will get 0.15 moles. After that, just apply the formula delta Tb is equals to Kbm, where m is number of moles given weight upon, that is mass of solvent, number of moles of solute, mass of solvent in kg. But here 300 is given to you in grams, not in kg, so you have to divide by 1000. After this you have to calculate 0.52 into 1.5 divided by 3. Just simplify and you'll get the answer in degrees Celsius. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.